What's up, world? This is Spike Rebel at Andy's Music Chicago. And every time I come here, I always find something unique that he's moved around or pulled out of the woodwork, some new instruments. So today, this is a rain stick. Yeah, usually they're the circular ones with nails going around and the rocks or whatever inside the glass or sand that goes down. This one takes about a minute to complete, stop making its sound. So watch this. This was used in African villages for women and ceremonial ritual things. It's called a water drum or udu drum. Did you hear that? So still a few more clinkling down. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So when the rain comes down. Yeah, ancient instruments, unique stuff. This has still got some rain in it, yeah.